Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna go over how to redeem code on Acecraft, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to do is, of course, launch Acecraft, and then actually come to the bottom, tap on this icon, and this is the adventure section. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and open up your menu. So come here, tap on this icon right here to open up the menu, okay? And you'll get a bunch of options here. You just choose settings. Now here under settings, you'll see the last thing right here. It says redeem code, right? So what I need you to do is just tap here on this button to redeem code. And here you just enter your redeem code that you have. And all you need to do is there's about 3 to 5 that are working right now. Just enter it right here and then you click on confirm and the code will be redeemed. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.